Recent multi-agent systems can tackle software development, but they are often limited to Python and can be difficult for users to interact with. We introduce HyperAgent, a system that lets users develop software in various languages from scratch, without expert knowledge. It uses GitHub issues for a user-friendly interaction, allowing you to review and revise code in natural language. We will go through our system overview. Here's how our system works. When you have a new software idea, you create a GitHub repository, set up our GitHub action, and then create an issue describing your requirement. The action listens for these issues, calls our server to generate the software, and pushes it to your repository. You can then review the code and request revisions by updating the issue until you're satisfied. For users who are not familiar with the GitHub environment, they can also use our tool via Telegram chatbot. Before going into the details of HyperAgent, I will show you a common use case of our tool. First, create a new GitHub repository. To allow HyperAgent to access your repository, you'll need to generate a GitHub Access token in the settings and add it as a secret variable. This token is used to push the generated code to your repository. Next, go to the Actions tab and set up a new workflow. You'll find the workflow script at the link provided in the paper. Copy and paste the script and commit it. You can customize the generation process by modifying arguments in the script, such as the n round for the number of iterations and the project name. Now your repository is set up to listen for your requirements via GitHub Issues. Go to the Issues tab and create an issue with your requirements. For instance, create a tic-tac-toe game. The GitHub action will then trigger our server to generate the game. You can monitor the process in the Actions tab. Once the generation is complete, the code will be pushed to the initial branch by default. You can then clone the application and run it locally. If you want to make changes, simply update the issue with your new requirements, like make it a two-player game or play with the computer. HyperAgent will then regenerate the game. Alternatively, you can use our Telegram bot to interact with HyperAgent. Search for our bot and follow its instructions to develop your application. For example, let's create a smart contract for an auction system. The bot will generate the code and provide you with a link to the GitHub repository where the source code was stored. Then, you can review and request the bot to refactor the smart contract. The revised source code will be automatically updated on the GitHub repository. Back to the overview of HyperAgent system. The HyperAgent system consists of four main parts: the server space, the GitHub space, the Telegram bot, and human interaction. At its core, HyperAgent is designed based on MetaGPT to interpret a user's initial requirements, and then assemble a specialized team of AI agents to build the software. This system employs a role-playing framework such as product manager, an architect, engineer to simulate a real-world software development team. What makes HyperAgent unique is the introduction of a new higher-level role, the HyperAgent. This agent analyzes the user's project requirements to automatically assemble the development teams. For example, if you ask for a Python application, the HyperAgent will add a Q&A engineer to the team to write and execute test cases, ensuring the code quality. If the project involves a smart contract, it will assign a contract auditor to ensure the reliability of the generated smart contract. HyperAgent also tailors prompts and templates of the roles in the development team, based on different requirements. For instance, the prompts for smart contract development focus on security and integration, while the prompts for Python apps focus on user interface layouts. HyperAgent aims to improve the automation of the organization and coordination of software development teams. The HyperAgent services, along with GitHub Actions, repositories, and Telegram bot, provide a user-friendly method for developers to build software from scratch using natural language descriptions without needing to be an expert.